Okay. Shall we start now? Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, pencils up if you're ready. Show me your pencil.
Yes.
Show me your pencil, your pencil. Where is your pencil? Very good. How about your math book? Your math book. Where is your math book? Show me your math book. Okay, good. Very good, very good. Kong Kwan, she has it. US, she has the book. Very good. How about Natakorn? Yong Kao, he has it. Who else? Very good, very good. How about Katang? Katang, where's your book? Salmon has it. Hello, Salmon. Okay, very good, Captain. And Piper, very good. Pami, Captain. Kon, very good. How about Fasai? Fasai, where's your book? Mangkon, very good. New, okay. Gam, very good. Okay, now let me share to you my screen. Okay, thank you so much for joining our class last Thursday. And today we have a new lesson. Just this morning, I have class in STP students. Can you see their faces? They are very busy answering their books. Okay, maybe some of you know them. Now, for today's lesson, what's my name? Teacher Guapo. Okay, now, for today's lesson, we have a new lesson and we are now in chapter 2. Chapter 1 is finished. Numbers up to 1,000. We learn about numbers, writing numbers in Hindu-Arabic, writing numbers in Thai numeral, and in words. And we were able also to compare numbers in chapter 1, and we also learn about place value, expanded form, and patterns. Now today, we will use some of those things that we have learned in chapter 1 here in chapter 2. We will try to expand numbers later on, okay? Now, addition and subtraction within 100,000, okay? 100,000, wow, it's quite big. When you were in grade 1, you learn numbers up to 1,000. But before we will proceed, let me tell you about our objectives before at the end of this lesson or this chapter. This chapter, when we end at the end of this chapter, we will or you should able to add numbers within 100,000 by the end of this lesson. And then you must also know how to subtract one number from another number up to 100,000. 3, you must know how to add numbers up to 100,000 mentally without using pencil. For example, I will tell you numbers like 34,567 plus 37,123, and then you will just tell me without using your pencil. You will just use your mind. Add all in here in your mind. Don't worry, later I'm gonna teach you that. Okay, now let's continue. Fourth objectives that we have is to subtract one number from another number up to 100,000. And of course, we must not forget that we must know how to solve word problems involving addition and subtraction. Just like when you were in grade 1 and grade 2, right? You solve word problems. But here, it is up to 100,000. When you were in grade 1, maybe word problem up to 10, word problem up to 20, word problem up to 100. In grade 2, up to 1,000. In grade 3, it's up to 100,000. Now, and when you were in grade 1, you create word problems as well, right? Like Guide has 1 apple, Minnie has 2 apples. How many fruits do they have all together, right? When you were in grade 1, do you remember that? Yeah. Now, when you were in grade 2, you learned also how to create word problems. Now, in grade 3, you will learn how to create word problem as well. But this is up to 100,000. And lastly, you must know how to apply knowledge to daily life. Like when you go to Tesco Lotus, when you go to Central, when you go anywhere here in Thailand or outside Thailand, you must know how to use this one. Like addition, when you buy something, you know how to pay, you know how much is your change. That's why we will learn how to add and to subtract numbers up to 100,000. Okay, let's proceed now. Now, adding with and without renaming, okay? That means there is numbers more than, or the answer is more than 9. Okay, the answer is more than 9. We call it adding numbers with and without renaming, okay? Now, here are the steps. When you were in grade 2, you learned these steps. First, let's say for example here, first we add the numbers in the ones place, okay? As you can see here, 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. Sorry. Now here we are in adding numbers in ones place, and then that's the first thing that you need to do. And second one, we will add numbers in tens place, right? First in ones place, second in tens place. So 1 plus 2 is 3. And next will be in hundreds place. 7 plus 1 is 8. It's very easy, right? It's very easy. Now, these numbers or these steps is followed only if the sum is not more than 9. Sum means the answer, like 6 plus 3 is 9. Not more than 9, this one is okay, these steps. 1 plus 2 is 3, it's okay. But if the number is exceed means more than 9. Exceed 9, so we cannot use these steps, okay? We will use another way, okay? Now here we go. Let's try this one. Now first we will add in ones place. 3 plus 3 is 6. Of course, it's very easy. When you were in grade 1, you learn how to count or to add numbers up to 10. In tens place, 7 plus 2 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. So therefore the answer is 996. Now here we go. Now let's try this one. Example, 422 plus 315. Letter A, what's the answer? Very easy, it's 368. Letter B, 677. Letter C, 379. Okay, 379. Now here we go. What if the number is more than, it says here, the sum exceed 9. That means more than 9. The sum means the answer. The answer of addition is called sum. Okay, sum. So what if the answer is more than 9? What shall we do? Let's say for example here. Okay, what are the steps that we will use if the numbers are, or the answer is more than 9? So we will add 2, 3 or more digit numbers. Let's say for example, 79,512 plus 934. Again, 79,512 plus 934. Here we go. Okay, so we will use the place value table. Here we go, and here is the place value table. You will see here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. The color blue is ones, the color pink is for tens, purple is for hundreds, green is for thousands, and orange is for 10,000s. Now we will start with or in ones place. Okay, ones place. Now here we go. 2 plus 4. Easy. It's number 6. 1 plus 3. It's very easy. It's number 4. 5 plus 9. Now here, the number or the sum, or let's say the answer is more than 9, because 9 plus 5 is more than 9, right? So what shall we do here is, so 9 plus, oh, why is it 13? This must be 14. 9 plus 5 is 14. So this one is wrong. This is not. Okay, this is 14. Now let me change first. This one is wrong. Is 9 plus 5 or 5 plus 9. The answer is 14, right? 14. So we will write the number 4 because for the value of 4 is 100, 400, and 1 is 1000. So we write the number 4 here in hundreds place and 1 in the thousands place. Again, we will write number 4 in hundreds place and number 1 in thousands place. So now we will add numbers in thousands. 1 and 9. 1 and 9. So 1 plus 9 is 10. So we will write the 0,000 here in thousands place and number 1 or 1 10,000s in 10,000s place. So we will add 7 and 1. 1 10,000s and 7 10,000s is equal to 8 10,000s. So if we will add these two numbers, don't forget to write this one. Can you see it there? That one, the comma. Don't forget to write that one. It signifies the place value. Now, if we will add 79,512 plus 93,934, the answer there is, oh, it's wrong. It should be number 4. This one, the number 3 here, it must be number 4. 5 plus 9 is 4. Now, here we go. In your book, okay? In your book, I want you to open your book, okay? Open your book on page 21. Page 21. Okay, so it's only 5 minutes given to you to finish the page 21. Page 21. Adding two numbers up to 100,000. After 5 minutes, we will go back and then we will answer this all together. Okay, very good.
Finish.
Sky is finished. Hi, Gam. Okay.
Finished.
Okay, Katang is finished as well. Okay, now let's start. Okay, now letter A. What's the answer, letter A? Can you tell me, everybody? The answer is
12,024.
12,024.
24.
Let me see. Yeah, it's correct. 12,024. How about in letter B? 977. Letter C? 756. Okay. Next. Letter D. Letter D. What's your answer, letter D? Letter E. Letter E. Okay, letter E. Letter E.
32,000.
52,000. 6. Are you sure? 600? 600? Are you sure?
700.
Okay, 700. Okay, 52,732. Now letter I, letter I. How about letter I?
D is not. 6,207.
Letter B, letter F, letter F.
700.
Letter D, letter D, this one is wrong. It must be 1. 300 and?
D not. It's 1.
Yeah, this one is 1. 72,318. 18, not 8. 18. Thank you. Very good. Letter G. Letter G.
เล่นอย่างโหดตอบคำ
Letter D, this one is wrong. This one is wrong. This one here is 72,000. Let me write to you. Letter D. 72,000. Okay. 72,318. That's the answer in letter D. Letter G. 9,888. Letter H.
ไหนวะ
16,711. Very good. Letter I. 207. Very good. Letter J. 42,177. Because 8 plus 9 is 7. Now letter K. Sorry. Why is it 2? This is 3. This one is 3. This one is 43. 43. Thank you. This must be 43. Letter J is wrong. This is 43,000. Let me check. Here is 43,177. Okay. Letter K. Letter K. What's your answer, letter K? 50. 58,000.
Teacher, I is not.
I is. This one is 1. Thank you. Very good. Thank you. Letter I. Thank you. This one is 85,200 and. No, it is letter I, sorry. 8 plus 9, 17. Carry 1. So this is 4 plus 1 plus 5 is 10. Carry 1. Yeah, it's correct. It's correct. Yeah, it's correct. Sorry. Sorry, it's wrong. Letter K, letter K. 57,000. Oh, I forgot again here. It must be 8. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. This one is 58. Okay. 58,000 and 58,000 and
16 and 16
and 16. 0 and 1. 1 and 6. So letter K, the answer that I put it there is wrong. Don't copy that one.
Okay.
Okay. So letter K is wrong. Letter J is wrong. This is not.
Okay.
Letter D is wrong. Okay. Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye. Thank you so much for joining my class. Bye.